radar tutorials and how to schedule a post or lots of different posts. So you've set up all of your different channels, and now you go down the left hand side on radar and you scroll down to publishing. We'll talk about streams later, but we're going to go to the scheduler, and this is where you schedule your posts. And just to explain the layout very quickly, and I like the layout of radar, you can see across the top it will show in yellow any posts that are scheduled, blue any posts that are in progress, green posts that are published, and red if there is an error. And if you look at the calendar here, the date where we're on today is always in a yellow color, and if you look next to each date, we're going to go into September over soon, but you can click on new post and schedule a new post for each day of the month. Handy little feature as well. Did you see that there? If you hover over the calendar on the flag, it will show you different days. Now these might not be relevant to you, but if you find something that you can tie in with your post, it's always handy. You go, today is International Day, so we are going to do this for you. All right, but so I am simply going to post. Listen, don't worry too much about posting. What's the right thing? What's the wrong thing? Will you annoy your loyal following? Probably not. Don't post too frequently. If there's a post that you do that's not that good, they're just going to ignore it. So don't worry too much. Just get your messages out there. And we're just going to click on new post. And look at the fantastic features on radar. So you can decide first where you're going to post this post to. So this post is not going to be a video post. I'm going to post it to Instagram. I'm going to post it to my Facebook. I'm going to post it to my Twitter. And that's it for now. Okay, so just for those three. We'll talk about video posting later on. And wow, you can see that you can do all sorts of things. You can either upload your design, create a design in Canva, or create a design with Vista Create. You can also post a video, a gallery, a link, text, or a story. So you can do just about everything, but let's just create something with Canva quickly. And this comes included with radar. You don't have to be a subscriber to Canva to get these posts. So we're just going to create a generic social media post just very quickly, and you will see that for each different social network there is a different size post. So Instagram posts are a different size to Facebook, but generic social media posts, you just do it 800 by 800 and you'll discover which is the right size for your post. So if we're going to use Canva for this, I can start something brand new, or I can scroll through. Right, so I'm just going to pick this one. This is not a Canva demo, but I'm just going to get rid of this picture and put a cheesy one of me. Okay, so here is my post. I've chosen it to go out tomorrow at 1:27. I've uploaded the picture that I designed in Canva. Now I'm going to select the channels I want it to go to. So I'm going to send it to Instagram and to my Facebook page. I'm going to send it to, yeah, let's go to Pinterest, because why not? And to Twitter. Don't worry too much about posting to places. The only one I worry about, where I think I sometimes people go, is LinkedIn. I'm not saying people are a bit, I suppose people use it for serious business stuff. I do sometimes feel I'm spamming people a little bit on LinkedIn, but there you go. So we've selected the channels we are going to post it to. We've given it a little bit of text. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Whether you're a creator, business, or if you just like software. I don't really need a comma there. Don't worry, this is just me correcting stuff. And it's got a link to my YouTube. And that is a direct link, by the way. You can do that. At the end of your channel on YouTube, put question mark sub, see that, and that'll take people straight to sign up. So that's what you do. You go through, it gives you, don't shorten the URLs. This is the defaults the post is not doing. This is all built into radar. Send a notification only if there's an error, or you can set it to send a notification when it's been published. We'll have that for now. Publish as public. You can also publish as draft, unlisted, or private. Put public. Now what's it going to say at the end of the video? Well, we're going to say sign up, because we want them to sign up to our channel, don't we? Just publish on Reels tab. We'll go for Reels for now, And so all of those settings are already done by Radar. You don't really have to worry about them. My score is getting better, 30.32%, but again, that can improve with time. There's a post preview. It's good, isn't it? That is what it will look like on Instagram. That's what it's going to look like on Facebook, and that is what it's going to look like on Twitter. And I always forget, can you have links on Instagram? I'm not sure if you can. I'm not going to worry about it for now. I'm going to get it sent off. So at the moment we're posting it to those 3 places. Should we post it to a few more as well? Shall we post it to, do you know what, let's post it to LinkedIn, just so I can get a few more people going. It's a funny one, LinkedIn. I'm not going to bother posting it to my TikTok. So yeah, that's what it'll look like across the channels. Post it, but we're not going to worry too much. So there we go, that's it. Bit of waffle there. And I'm going to simply press schedule, and that post is now scheduled. So that's where it's gone yellow there. So on the calendar, this is good software, isn't it, Radar? Hover over that, it shows the post. Look at that. So just in a quick view there, I can hover over the schedule post. It basically shows me the artwork, and it shows me what I'm going to post, and it also shows me where I'm going to post it. So you simply just go through your month and you schedule your posts for the month, and you plan it out so that there's not too much repetition. So some of them are text posts, some of them are going to be picture posts, some of them are going to be video posts. Okay, so we're going to have another post for Wednesday. Okay, so there's my next post, and we're going to post it on Wednesday, so the day after tomorrow, at 2 o'clock. And yeah, just scroll through there. I'm going to post it to Pinterest, Facebook, to Instagram, and to Twitter. And I'm just going to do a simple link for this one now, so it's just going to be my Radar tutorials. Again, I'm not worrying what I post, I'm just getting them out there. Here we can see what it's going to look like across the channels. Just a simple text post there. And we're just going to click schedule. And it is now scheduled, and it's as easy as that. And that's how you schedule it. I'm going to start populating mine, fill it up, so I've got at least 1 post per day. And of course, if you've got a social media team, they already know what to do. They probably already do everything on a different bit of software that doesn't do half as much, and you're going to see in the next few tutorials some of the unique features of Radar. But that is how you schedule a post, and we've done a couple of posts. And just to show you very quickly, the yellow ones are scheduled, blue ones are in progress, the green ones are published, and if they're not managed to post for some reason, they will show in red. It's a really easy screen and an easy setup.